As we are about to begin Lesson 1 on consumer rights, it's important for you to understand the keywords and the new terms so that you'll understand the ideas and the material in this chapter. The aims are for you to understand consumer rights and responsibilities, consumer information such as receipts and labels, and to start to understand some of the important details of consumer laws. To understand the main aims, it will help if you can understand the new words and terms that you'll come across. So, for example, you'll be asked to find the word consumer. Write down the number of the page in the chapter where the word is mentioned for the first time. For example, it's first mentioned on page 106. Write down the explanation of the word from the textbook. For example, a consumer is a person who buys goods and services for their own use. Now, write an explanation of the word in your own words. If you find this difficult, then try writing what the word or term does not mean. For example, a consumer is someone who does not receive goods as a gift. I will provide you with a table that will look like this. I will upload it to Google Classroom. And in the first column, you'll write down, or the word will be provided. In this instance, it's consumer. Again, you'll find that on page 106. The explanation from the textbook is, a consumer is a person who buys goods and services for their own use. And in your own words, you might write something like, a consumer is someone who buys food and clothes. Here is a list of the new words and terms that will be in the chapter that I'd like you to look at. Again, note the page in the textbook where you'll first find these words or terms. Write the explanation from the textbook, and then, in your own words, write down your explanation. And finally, keep a personal dictionary. We will be coming across new words and terms as we learn more about personal finance and later enterprise. It's a good idea to keep a personal dictionary of these new words and to write the explanation in your own words. By doing this and keeping a record, it will help you to remember these words and important details. Increasing your understanding of words and terms will help you to achieve the learning aims.